Okay, the next thing we want to show you how to do is to mount using the laminator as a mounting press. And in order to do that, we want to do a little bit of setup first. You'll notice we've removed the unwind and rewind assembly from the top and also the rewind assembly from the bottom. We're really only just going to be using the main rolls for this application. The first thing we want to do is set up the machine for our substrate. So it's simply done by putting a piece of substrate that we're going to mount to a sample piece into the nip and lowering the roll until it comes in contact with that piece. Then we can simply feed that piece through, and then we're going to be ready for mounting. Okay, what I want to show you now is how to tack up the prints and get them ready to mount on the laminator. The first thing you want to do is check your print for size. Make sure you have a piece of substrate that's the same size or a little bit bigger than your print. That way you can trim it down when you're finished. It is possible to mount to the exact size. It does take a little skill to do that. And then what you're going to do first is you're going to take the print and flip it over, and then you're going to peel back about the first 2 inches of material here, the release liner. Then if you flip this back over, this creased piece of release liner here will hold the print up off the board long enough for you to get into position. And then you can use a squeegee, or I like to use the heel of my hand to tack that leading edge. Okay, so now that we have the print tacked to the board, we can place the end of the board into the nip, feed it forward until we reach the area where we creased it. Then we're going to take the print and flip it back over the main roller and pull it taut. Then with one hand you're going to hold a little light tension on the print. With the other hand you're going to pull the release liner off the print. When you reach the end, just want to pull off the last bit of release liner in one swift movement.